Nature is a beautiful thing in our world. We live with it. We constantly see plants and animals thrive in our areas. Our environment is essential to our living, using its resources to live well. As human beings, we are ever so lucky to be on a planet that has fresh water, oxygen, and usable soil for our farms. In our society, we use industrialization to thrive more, using factories to generate more energy and process foods. These factories and mills do provide us many resources, but our environment takes a hit in the process. They cause air pollution, insufficient water, along with health issues. As people, we should help clean our environment because it increases our quality of life. Therefore, we must do everything to keep our community healthy. A clean environment helps out a lot, and here are ways how to keep it healthy. Cleaning up may not sound fun to everyone, but it's necessary. We don't want to live in filth, so we clean ourselves up. Starting to clean our community will make an impact. We start by using our electronics less. That obviously doesn't sound fun, but it means preserving some energy. It also benefits us by getting out and about, as well as reduce our eye strain from our screens. Some of us have a bad habit of leaving the lights on when we leave a room or letting the water run while we're brushing our teeth. We can try to moderate our usage and try different strategies. We don't have to drastically change our lifestyles, but we do have to make some changes to keep our environment healthy as well as green. Our cars aren't the only transportation. We can carpool with our friends or use a bus to get around town. Riding a bicycle or walking is an even better option. Transportation is California's largest source of carbon dioxide gas, the primary contributor to climate change. Cars and trucks that transport goods and people create approximately 38% of total climate change emissions. Driving green saves money and reduces greenhouse gas emissions, according to coolcalifornia.org. Recycling helps our community, properly disposing aluminum, plastic, and glass. You can also use reusable bags and totes instead of plastic ones given at stores. There are many ways to contribute. Some of them are in your home. Of course, you can always go out to organizations that clean up trash on beaches and poor neighborhoods. Now that we've discussed how we can help contribute cleaning up our environment, let's now move on to how a clean environment can benefit us. Everyone wants to live a long, healthy life. How we can achieve that is making sure that our environment is healthy as well. Most of us don't know how much of it actually contributes to our living. The air we breathe is healthy because it's not being polluted. The food we eat isn't toxic because it's properly being processed. Preserving the environment means having safe water to drink, as well as having resources to continue growing agriculture. Animals also need the environment. They thrive in it. Many animals need food, water, and a home to survive. There seems to be an ecological balance between animals and nature. Some animals help in to bring out nutrition in cycles, while others help in decomposition, carbon, and nitrogen cycles, according to Environmental Professional Network.com. Many animals have been known to help us and the environment. Insects, as well as microorganisms, contribute to the ecosystems. An example, bees. They help pollinate flowers and plants contributing to the food we eat. Dogs aren't just the man's best friend. They help in society too. Many police stations have had bomb and drug sniffing dogs to help them solve crimes. Dogs have also been used to sniff out endangered animals or endangered plants. Rats have been used to sniff out landmines, and they are small enough not to trigger them, helping countries that have hidden explosives from past wars. The APOPO organization has dubbed their trained rats to be hero rats. Sea lions have been trained to dive deep in the water's surface to track climate change and temperature. With their help, we can develop better models of the oceans. We share this earth with primal animals. We need to take care of them and our environment. Now that we've discussed how essential the environment is, now we will discuss why we should preserve nature for future humans. It's amazing how much of the environment helps us to live. It provides for us so much, but it will also provide future humans. We should preserve nature not only for ourselves, but the future people. We have to leave the earth better than when we found it. As the population grows, the demand for resources grows. By helping the environment, we can help ensure that future humans don't have to worry so much about resources. The world's population is expected to increase by 2 billion persons over the next 30 years, from 7.7 billion currently to 9.7 billion by the year 2050, according to a United Nations report. We can help those future humans even after we are gone. To sum up, the environment is such an irreplaceable thing. We can't live without it. We have to try to help. Therefore, we can't sit idly by. We all have the power to contribute and really make a difference. I encourage you all to clean up any litter on the grass or reduce the use of water to preserve gallons. This is a way to show our appreciation to the environment. We could save plants, animals, as well as future humans. Thank you.